Hello orchid enthusiasts, today we're immersing ourselves in the world of Habenaria rhodocheila, a captivating and unique orchid species that adds a burst of vibrant color to your orchid collection. But before we dive into the radiant beauty of Habenaria rhodocheila, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of orchids. Habenaria rhodocheila is a captivating and unique orchid species known for its vibrant and distinctive appearance. It's native to various regions including parts of Asia and the Indian subcontinent. What sets Habenaria rhodocheila apart is its striking flowers and color and structure, especially in this cultivar, the bright orange. This orchid species produces tall, erect stems adorned with clusters of intricate and brightly colored flowers. The individual flowers have a unique structure with long, slender petals and a prominent, elongated lip or spur, which varies in size depending on the pollinator it is adapted for. This adaptation often attracts specific pollinators such as butterflies or moths, enhancing its allure in both natural and cultivated settings. This orchid thrives in bright, indirect light, making it ideal for indoor spaces with filtered sunlight. It prefers well-draining orchid potting mix and should be watered moderately, allowing the mix to partially dry out between waterings. When companion planting with Habenaria rhodocheila, consider other orchid species or hybrids that share similar light and humidity requirements. Creating a diverse orchid collection can result in harmonious and visually appealing indoor garden displays, showcasing the beauty and uniqueness of each orchid variety. Its vibrant orange flowers and unique appearance make it an excellent choice for orchid enthusiasts and collectors. This orchid adds a burst of color and elegance to your living space, orchid garden, or decorative arrangements, making it a favorite among orchid enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of orchids. Don't forget to explore other videos and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, may your orchid collection flourish, and may your Habenaria rhodocheila bright orange grace your living space with its radiant beauty and unique charm. Farewell and happy orchid growing.